Today we're trying out the robot vacuum cleaner with Mop Function. We picked this up from the middle of Lidl and paid $89.99. So this is a 2-in-1, can be used wet or dry. It runs for up to 70 minutes on a charge, and then when the battery is running low it will automatically return to the charging station, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. This is ideal for hard floors and low pile carpets. It has a remote control and comes with a bunch of accessories including water tank, charging dock, mains adapter, remote control, 1 cleaning brush and 2 side brushes, and it also has 2 spare side brushes and a spare filter. And this has a gyro sensor for intelligent navigation. Easily cleans hard to reach areas and has 4 cleaning modes. The auto does a random cleaning pattern. The spot clean does spiral shape cleaning with maximum suction power. Corners cleans along the edges of your room, and scheduled so you can set up a cleaning program. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. So this comes with the user manual. This is the parts, cleaning and the maintenance guide. It tells you how to use the robot vacuum cleaner, how to use the remote control, and how to set up the programs and functions. The vacuum cleaner looks really neat and it's a great size. This comes with the charging station. It's got the 2 connector points that will connect with the underneath, and you can fit the power cable just in the back, and there is a tidy around there so you can wrap it up. The charging cable has a good long lead. We've got the remote control, and this comes with the 2 AAA batteries. We've got the 2 side brushes, and they're labelled with an L and an R. It's also labelled underneath the vacuum cleaner. We get the cleaning brush, which has a little blade for cutting off any hair. And we also get a spare HEPA filter and 2 spare side cleaning brushes. The vacuum cleaner has a power button and a home button on the top. And just underneath, you can see there is a main power switch on and off, 2 big rubber flexible wheels, and a guidance wheel. We've got the connector points for the charging base, and there are some sensors just around the edge so it knows where it's going. And these 2 buttons are where we connect the right and the left brushes. You've got the roller wheel here, the microfiber cleaning cloth, and that can pull off. The cloth comes off nice and easily so that you can clean it, and that gives you access to the reservoir. When that's off, you can open the dust container, simply sliding it off. There's a little catch underneath that you press to slide it out, and then you've got access. So you can empty that container or remove the filter to clean it or swap it. You can also get access to the brush to clean it. Simply use these little catches, press them in and take off the cover. And then this quite simply just lifts out. So taking a look at the remote control, you've got the LED display on there. There's a power button that runs between 1, 2 and 3. There's the mode button, so you can select between random cleaning, edge cleaning and spot cleaning. You've got the start button to make it run, and you can use the arrow buttons if you want to guide it manually. Those buttons are also used for setting up the time and the program cleaning. We've got the home button to send the robot hoover home to charge up. To set the time and the date, press the time button, use the arrow keys to set the day, then the hours and the minutes. If you want to set up a program for your cleaning, press the program button and you can set that up in the same way with the arrow keys. So I'm going to switch this vacuum cleaner on. I'm going to plug the base in and let it charge up, and then we'll give it a run around and see how well it works. So there we have it. That's a SilverCrest Robot Vacuum Cleaner. That is a super handy gadget to have around the house. I absolutely love that it can just run and do its own thing. And we had it running around the kitchen for well over an hour before it went back to the charging station. And it's took around 5 hours to fully charge up again. Now, if you are using it with the water in, you will need to empty the water out of the reservoir after each use. It didn't leave the kitchen floor wet. It doesn't drip water, but that microfiber cloth does get quite damp underneath. It's done a fantastic job of the kitchen floor. We've also had it running around the hall, cleaning the low pile carpet. I love the charging station and the fact that it just docks itself, and it's really neat. The remote control's nice and easy to use, and it's got some great built-in features. So we're going to add this to our middle of Lidl playlist and to our vacuum cleaners playlist. And hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.